Now, a point capital A is 20 mm above HP and in the first quadrant. Its shortest distance from the XY line is 40 mm. Draw the projections, determine its distance from the vertical plane. So he says a point A is 20 mm above HP and in the first quadrant. Since he says it is the point is in first quadrant, so obviously we have to take the problem in the first quadrant. So we will now consider a first quadrant, three-dimensional quadrant. He says point A is 20 mm above HP. So above HP, when you look from the front view, we can see the distance above HP in the vertical plane. So you can see the distance above HP. And then he says it is in the first quadrant. So obviously the point is in first quadrant. Its shortest distance from the XY line is 40 mm. So this is the one which we need to identify or understand. So suppose if you know the distance with respect to the horizontal distance with respect to the vertical plane, the image will going to be on the horizontal plane. So these two will going to become at the right angle. So naturally, which will going to be the shortest distance? When we draw a hypotenuse, so this will going to be the shortest distance. So that you are going to get the point A in space. But here, what happens is he has not given the distance in front of VP, but instead he has given the shortest distance. So that means he has given this above HP distance and he has given this distance which is 40 mm. So where we will be able to see the distance, whether we can see in the front view or whether it is seen in the top view or whether we can see it in the side view. So actually this distance can be seen only when you look from the side view. So obviously, so here in this case either it is the left side view or the right side view, but we have to consider only one particular view, which is the left side view. Why? Because the point is in front of VP, so obviously it should be in front of RPP. But he has not given any distance with respect to the profile plane, so we can take any distance from the profile plane. We can place this A dash and A or this point in space. This distance can be any distance. So that is the reason why we have mentioned it as any distance here. But the shortest distance when we look from the left side view, we can see it in the profile view here. So this is how we will be able to get this distance here. So how we can solve this problem in the 3 dimension? So once you look from the front view, you can see the vertical distance above HP. So above HP distance is marked. Then you draw a horizontal projector from here and then you extend that horizontal projector onto the profile view, because in the front view, when you look from the profile view, we can see the distance of the front view distance and also the shortest distance in the profile view. So then you measure the distance of 40 mm. From the origin, you cut an arc on the extended line of this A dash, which is the above HP. So it will cut it here. So you are going to get A double dash. So once you get this A double dash, you project this to the down and then you project this to the HP. Then you project from here to this, you are going to get this top view, which is here. So you will going to get the distance in front of VP. What is the distance that we need to find out? This is how we will be able to solve the problem in 3 dimension. But once we cut it here and rotate this HP down and RPP to the right side, so correspondingly the images will also get rotated. So this will going to be the step 2, wherein the horizontal plane is rotated by 90 degree and the RPP is also rotated by 90 degrees. So now whatever the distance which was there in VP, HP and RPP, which has been correspondingly it has been transferred. Now we can see the distance with respect to the profile plane is not given any distance, so you draw a vertical projector at any distance from this x1 y1 line. Then the distance above HP is given, which is 20 mm above HP. So from the xy line you measure 20 mm above xy line and you mark this point, which will be A dash. Then in the profile view we can see the distances of front view and as well as the top view. So you draw a horizontal projector from front view to the side view. But the shortest distance which can be seen is in profile view, which is 40 mm. So you measure the 40 mm distance and cut an arc on the extended line of the front view on the profile view. So you are going to get this point A double dash. Then draw a vertical projector from A double dash to this, so that this distance is above HP and this distance will be in front of VP. So this distance you got, and that this distance will be the shortest distance. This will going to form the right angle triangle, wherein hypotenuse will be this, wherein that will be the shortest distance. So then draw a 45-degree line to this horizontal, so that this horizontal distance of in front of VP is transferred to the vertical distance of in front of VP. Then you project it back to where you have the A dash. On that, draw a vertical projector down, so that these two lines will going to intersect in HP at this point. So you mark that point, which will be equal to A, and then find out the distance from in front of VP is how much distance, which will be L is equal to question mark. So this is how we will be able to solve the problem in 3 dimension and also in when the plane is been rotated. Now we will going to try to solve the problem in a sketchbook, how it can be solved by using a manual drawing. So now here first we are going to draw the XY line and X1 Y1 line and mark VP, HP and RPP. Here we can take either RPP or you can take LPP depending upon the condition, but he has not given any plane as such. That means we need to consider profile plane as RPP or LPP. He has not mentioned anything. So for the sake of understanding the simplicity of the 3 dimension, we have considered right profile plane. Now since the distance with respect to the profile plane is not given, so we are going to assume any distance and draw a vertical projector. Then the distance above HP is given, which is 20 mm above HP. So obviously that image will going to fall on VP. So since vertical plane is above XY line, so from here you measure 20 mm and mark this point, which will going to become A dash. Then draw a horizontal projector from A dash to the profile view, wherein you can see the distance with respect to the vertical plane above HP, that is in vertical direction. So this will going to become above HP. But when you look from the side view, we can see the distance profile, the shortest distance which is given with respect to this XY line. So when it is projected onto RPP, the line will going to come here. So which is the distance 40 mm. When this is rotated by 90, then it will go to this side. So it will going to come here. So from here, by taking the compass, measure a radius of 40 mm and cut an arc on this horizontal projector. Where it will going to cut, that point will going to become A double dash. So in that case, we will going to get this is the distance above HP and this will going to be the distance in front of VP. So this distance. So draw a 45-degree line adjacent to HP. So wherein we are transferring this horizontal distance of in front of VP into the vertical distance of in front of VP. Then draw a vertical projector from A double dash onto 45-degree line, wherein this horizontal distance is been transferred into this vertical distance. Then draw a horizontal projector from this point to the A dash projected. To a projector where it is projected from A dash. It will going to cut these two lines at this point in horizontal plane. So since the image is on horizontal plane, so you are going to get small a. So measure the distance from point A, small a, to the XY line and you mark the distance as L is equal to question mark. So the answer will be, when you are writing on manual, L will be equal to 35 mm. If you are doing it in computer, it will be 34.64 mm. And hence this will going to be the final solution. Thank you.